attack. We extend our deepest condolences and stand in solidarity with our Providence neighbors. Thank you. Now please stand if you're able and join our players, coaches, and officials in honoring America and celebrating its freedom. Performing the national anthem for us tonight is Olivia Picard.
And bright stars through the perilous sky, o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets' red glare, the bombs bursting in air gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave for the land of the free?
Time to meet tonight's starting lineups. First for the visitors, the Seton Hall University Pirates. Starting at forward, number 6, Stefan Payne. At guard, number 0, Adam Bud Clark. At guard, number 14, AJ Stephen McCray. At guard, number 22, Elijah Fisher. And at guard, number 23,